Yam, Crowbag, Texas Rig, Hafons. Okay, let's fish. Hello, this is Angrawaki based in California. Thank you for watching my video and supporting my channel. I'll introduce how to fish in the Japanese way using popular techniques in Japan and Japanese fishing gear. This video is neither a Japanese lure video nor a Japanese technique video. Yam, the very popular US-based soft bait brand. I believe the company started as a fish attractant brand and then started manufacturing their original soft baits. Yam Dinger is very popular as a Yamamoto Senko alternative. I love their drop shot bait, Yam Sharpshooter, Yam Warning Shot, Yam Kill Shot, and Yam Finesse Worm. I caught so many bass using them. They are durable, sold at a reasonable price, and productive, greatly fitting to the Japanese finesse style. I have some old videos in my channel. If you are interested, let's check them out. In this video, I'll introduce this lure, Yam Crowbag. I used this on Texas Rig and fished saltwater. I successfully caught a good-sized bird sand bass. I'll show you how I rig and how I fish. Before talking more about this bait, let's check out my fishing footage. Yam Crowbag, Texas Rig.したいはずなんだよね。いいんじゃない？Bite. Okay. Okay. Yam Crowbag. おー、ちっちゃいけどバスバス。This is Yam Crowbag, super realistic. This realistic figure made of a soft material imitates well a real crawfish, ready to get eaten. The body is a hollow body, nothing inside. Two important factors are given by this hollow body. The first one needs a great hooking capability. When fish bite, the hook point comes out like this. Compared to the solid body bait, better hooking ability. The second one is because of this lightweight hollow body, the bait can be naturally drifting in the current. I believe there are no crawfish along the South California coast. It's a freshwater creature. When I use crowbait or saltwater, I'm trying to imitate either shrimp or a crab. This crowbar is perfect to imitate a crab like sidewind crab drifting in the current. Rock Jetty holds so many crabs. I'm trying to catch fish eating them. Let's check out how I rig and how I fish.
morning, everybody. Welcome to Looking Enterprise. My name is Charles. I'm your captain today. We've got John down the galley. And also on deck. We have Otto as our other deck there. We have Karen as our deck steward. And as we're leaving the harbor here, the Coast Guard requires me to go to King Clipper as a vessel with you. All we do is go. And try to light section is located. Located on the upper deck next to the light section. And we're straight.
Hey. 送んなや。あ、もらえた。出るかな。出た。おお、ナイスサイズ。おお。ナイスサイズ。よいしょ。おお、これビッグサイズだ。OK、ビッグワン。ビッグワン。
Haha, it was close to the real size. A nice one. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please share on the SNS. Leave your comment. Give me a big thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. More and more fishing videos are coming. Fish in the Japanese way. See you, everybody stay safe. Thank you. ありがとう。バイバイ。